Morning everybody, it is Wes here and I'm really excited because I'm going to show you guys how I stay healthy in nursing school. Now, I'm not going to tell you guys that I'm this, vegan, friendly, perfect, gluten-free person. No, I still eat junk food sometimes, but I just want to show you guys what an average dude who's trying to stay healthy in nursing school looks like. All right, we just got to class and I got my protein shake right here, and I will actually link the protein shake in the description. It's like 800 calories, 43 grams of protein, and it tastes like candy, and it's pretty healthy. So I've got that, my water, my lunchbox. We're gonna be learning, I think, vital signs just right before we're gonna do our demo, which I think is tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and head on in, and it should be a good class. Just finished class and class went really well, and now I'm going to eat my chicken and pasta. And I highly recommend meal prepping every week because one, it's way healthier, and two, you save a lot of money because I'm really close, or my college is really close to a lot of fast food places and even Publix right now, and it is so easy to buy a bunch of junk food. So that's why I always meal prep, and so I'll eat that. It's pretty healthy, it's just chicken, cheese, and all the stuff that you make Alfredo sauce with. So we're gonna go ahead inside and eat it, and then we'll go back to class because we have pharmacology. We're gonna go over module F, so it's our final module for the semester, and then we'll kind of do some final exam preparations. And if you were wondering, yes, I do have the Owala, the 40-ounce version in black, and I did have the big, gigantic green water bottle with the handle on it for a while, but I used to call that Lieutenant, so I'm gonna call this one Private. It's insulated, so it's nice because my other water bottle, after like 3 hours, the water's room temperature, so it's not very enjoyable. So I think this will help just a little bit with how much water I drink, and it will surprise you how much water you actually need to drink. You're probably just thinking, well, I drink 4 glasses of water a day. No, for a normal adult man, you almost have to drink a gallon of water a day. It's nuts. So drink your water, y'all, especially in nursing school because you're stressed out and you might not eat or drink a lot. Really take priority in drinking a lot of your water. All right, we ate lunch and now it's time to head to class. Just got home from class, so we had class until 2 because we got out a little bit early. So me and some of my friends spent about an hour studying for the test that we have tomorrow, for fundamentals. So tomorrow it includes fundamentals plus the vital signs checkoff, so that should be pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and head inside and rest for about 30 minutes to an hour because along with physical health, you got to worry about mental health. So got to make sure to take breaks, even if they're small breaks. You got to take breaks indeed. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some Greek yogurt with some granola on it, and we will go from there. One awesome thing you can do is just sit outside listen to some music or a podcast and just relax. We finished up homework, watched some TV, and now I am getting some beef and rice, and then we got a lift. So I'm gonna hit chest and back. I'm a little bit tired because I ate full body like 2 days ago, so I'm gonna be a little more fatigued, especially my chest because I hit my chest really hard. So, but I think it should go pretty well. If you are in nursing school, then I highly recommend that you lift, jog, or do something like that because you need to be able to take the stress and all that stuff about nursing school and kind of focus on one thing. You got to be able to compartmentalize, because if you don't and you kind of build up all the stressors of school, then you're going to end up crushing and falling, okay? So just find something like that. It doesn't matter if it's lifting or jogging or running or playing on a trampoline, doesn't really matter. Just find something to take your mind off of school. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some food for the week. So I gotta make 3 chicken pasta meals because I'm going out to lunch tomorrow with some of my friends. And then I'm going to make 4 beef meals because I work at the hospital on Friday as well. So I gotta make sure they have meals ready for the week. It is 10 o'clock. I'm hopefully going to be able to get in bed by 10:30. Now, it doesn't matter how much you work out, how healthy you eat. If you do not get your snoozes, you're not going to do well. So I'm going to go ahead and head to bed. Remember to study hard, study smart, and I'll see you guys next time.